Hello everybody! In this video I'm going to make 3 different lip balms. All these lip balms are going to be vegan, and that's why instead of beeswax or any kind of wax, in this particular lip balm I'm going to use this hard mango butter and coconut oil, and also I'm going to use cucumber seed oil. In each lip balm, I'm going to use 4 different tocopherols or vitamins E. It's gonna be alpha, beta, gamma, and delta. Star ingredient for my second lip balm is going to be hard and crumbly cocoa butter, which has very nice chocolatey scent. Here you can see I started to cut it, but then I decided that it's gonna be much less messy if I do it on the table. And so in order to make it more pliable to add to the slip, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil and this beautiful watermelon. And sure, at the end I'm going to add a mix of tocopherols. In my third lip balm, I wanted to use cocoa butter because it's hard, it doesn't have smell. This lip balm didn't work because, as you can see here, it's very crumbly, and after lip balm solidified, it was still crumbly and impossible to apply. I used it as a cream for my skin, but just wanted to say in advance it's not gonna work as a lip balm because when it solidifies you need to stir it, so cocoa butter will be incorporated properly and the small particles will not form in your lip balm. And I made a beautiful body cream with cocoa butter, but I was stirring it probably like every minute. Also, I decided to go with eco-friendly and totally biodegradable packaging. Well, all 3 lip balms came out awesome except one I used not as a lip balm but as a body butter because it was not convenient to apply, and the lip balm with cocoa butter came out with a very slight chocolatey scent. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.